2025 color palettes. Warm sophistication meets calming elegance in modern luxury interiors. In 2025, modern luxury interiors beautifully balance warmth with sophistication through thoughtfully curated aesthetic color palettes. These palettes are meticulously designed to introduce an aura of calm elegance, inviting serenity into every corner of your home. By pairing soft neutral tones with deeper, richer hues, spaces are crafted where comfort seamlessly marries style. Whether you're curating a cozy living room or refining a luxurious bedroom, these color schemes exude a tranquility that nurtures both mind and soul. Key decor elements are elevated by these sophisticated hues, ensuring each room feels intricately tailored to your personal tastes and preferences. The introduction of warm tones, like lush terracottas, subdued golds, and profound ambers, transforms interiors into inviting sanctuaries that speak to the heart of modern luxury. Picture a rich, velvet sofa in a warm amber shade or an accent wall adorned with golden textured coverings. These subtle yet impactful touches not only enhance your home's aesthetic but also ensure every space exudes an inviting tranquility. The selection of colors complements plush fabrics and striking decor pieces, adding a layer of sophistication that is both contemporary and timelessly elegant. These choices are more than mere decoration. They are an embodiment of personal expression, bringing together functionality and beauty in harmony. The allure of the 2025 color palettes lies in their ability to transcend simple decoration, transforming spaces into peaceful sanctuaries. In today's fast-paced world, thoughtfully designed interiors can provide a necessary retreat. With the right blend of colors, textures, and decor accents, your living space evolves into a haven of relaxation and elegance. The luxurious warmth of these palettes offers an ambiance of relaxation, making your home a refuge where sophistication meets serenity at every turn. Lighting plays a crucial role, with options like soft glow lamps and strategically placed lighting enhancing the warmth and elegance, casting gentle shadows that create depth and intrigue. Harnessing the calming power of color. These palettes serve as a daily respite from the external chaos, creating spaces where one can truly unwind and rejuvenate. Each hue is chosen not only for its aesthetic appeal but for its ability to evoke emotions and create a dialogue between the individual and their environment. In combining warm sophistication with calming elegance, the 2025 palettes redefine modern luxury, turning every room into a testament to tranquil refinement and personal artistry. This harmonious blend of design elements invites a celebration of beauty in simplicity, modernity in tradition, and personal peace among life's complexities, ultimately transforming your home into a masterpiece of luxurious comfort and style.